Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build cardiovascular health with Zumba detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the importance of cardiovascular fitness. Cardiovascular health improves your heart, lungs, and overall endurance. Zumba is an engaging dance-based workout that combines fun and fitness. Choose a Zumba class that fits your skill level and schedule. You can find classes at local gyms, community centers, or online platforms. Set specific goals for your Zumba practice, such as frequency and duration. Start with at least 2 to 3 sessions per week. Wear comfortable clothing and supportive footwear to enhance your experience. Warm up before every session to prepare your body for movement. Incorporate dynamic stretches and light cardio to get your heart rate up. During the Zumba class, follow the instructor's cues and movements. Focus on keeping your heart rate elevated throughout the session. Make use of the upbeat music to maintain your energy and motivation. Don't be afraid to dance at your own pace, especially as a beginner. Adjust the intensity based on your fitness level. It's okay to take breaks. Stay hydrated by drinking water before, during, and after your workout. After the session, cool down to gradually lower your heart rate. Incorporate static stretches to improve flexibility and prevent injury. Track your progress by noting improvements in endurance and energy levels. Evaluate how you feel during and after each class, adjusting as necessary. Consider pairing Zumba with a balanced diet to maximize cardiovascular health. Seek advice from fitness professionals if you need personalized tips. Stay consistent with your Zumba practice to reap long-term benefits. Over time, you should notice increased stamina and improved heart function. Engage in community events or challenges to keep your motivation high. Celebrate milestones in your cardiovascular health journey. With dedication, Zumba can be a fun and effective way to build your cardiovascular health. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.